Hello everyone, welcome back to Nifty Trendline Trader channel. So let's begin with today's pre-market analysis before we talk about today's trade which I have taken. So when I checked the Nifty this morning, it was indicating a gap down opening of more than 150 points. And based on Friday's market structure, I drew my key support and resistance levels before the market had opened. So as you can see in the chart, so I have two support lines. So the first support is at 23,981, which is the candle close of Friday. And then on the first candle low, there is another support for today. And on the upside, we have the CPR, which will currently act as a crucial resistance. And I have previous days high and low, as you can see in the orange lines, which are the previous days high and low support points. Yeah. So once the market started, I waited for the first few minutes and then drew my intraday trend line based on the price action. So this trend line is my trend line for today, and I have waited for the first candle to finish, and then I was able to take a trade as I could see that there is a clear trend line breakout. And before taking the trade, my plan was very simple. I would only enter the trade if there was a confirmed breakout or breakdown after the 30-minute candle closed. So the first 30-minute candle closed at 9:45 a.m. and it gave a clear indication that the breakout had happened and the price has closed above the trend line. So that was my confirmation to enter the trade for today. So I had sold 24,000 hedge option and my entry premium was at 65, as you can see in the screenshot. So I have the 24,000 put sell which happened at 65, and to get margin benefit I had also buy a put option of 23,300 so that I get margin benefit. And as you can see from the screenshot, so my trade has been exactly at 9:45, where I bought 24,000 put sell for 65.25 along with the hedge position. And then I was able to close my trade around 9:58 a.m., where the price was at 55, which is a premium decay of 10 plus points. Yeah. So before entering the trade, I had already decided my stop loss for today. So my stop loss is any candle which closes below the low of the first candle, which is at 24,000, is where I will exit my trade with a stop loss. Okay. And on the upside, I could clearly see enough space for the price to move until CPR, though I haven't waited for the price to touch CPR. But as per my rule, I had exit my trade once the premium decay happened to 10 points. And moving forward slowly, we'll get into the habit of trailing stop loss for a better profit. But at this point, booking profit as per our rule is very, very important rather than focusing on huge profits. So the key takeaway is simple. So waiting for candle close confirmation, which I exactly did. After the first candle confirmation, I was able to enter into the trade. Even though during the candle first 30 minutes, I was clearly seeing that the price would break out above the trend line. But however, as per the rule, I had to wait until the candle close confirmation happened. And then the second point is about deciding our stop loss before entering, right? So as we enter trade, it's very important to understand the profit and also the stop loss where we will exit the trade for a better risk management. And then the third point is about just trusting our trading plan and then exiting our position when our target or stop loss gets hit so that our emotions do not decide. So that is all for today's trade. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and please do like, subscribe, and join me tomorrow for another real nifty option selling trade. And please post your comments or any suggestions if you have. Thank you all.